How to make portfolio in Wix 2025. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how you can make a portfolio in Wix in the easiest way. So to do so, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your Wix. And once we're in our Wix, what you're going to do is you're going to search for portfolio. Now, once you search for portfolio, here you can see it presents your work with a fresh look. Now, you can manage your very own Wix's portfolio by checking it out in your main Wix site. Okay. Now, if you don't have a proper e commerce site, you might want to get the application for the portfolio because it might not appear for you in normal cases, but this is usually the Wix portfolio that you can find on the app market. Now, once you come over to the Wix portfolio, simply click on Add to Site. Now, once you click on Add to Site, as you can see, it's going to add it to your editor. Now, what you can do is you can go over to your Wix editor. And once we're in our Wix editor, you can go over to the apps. Once you go over to the apps, just go ahead and search up portfolio. Once you search up portfolio, here's your Wix portfolio. Now, obviously, we've already added the Wix portfolio for ourselves. So we're going to click on open. Now, once you click on open, what's going to happen is it's going to load in the portfolio for you in your website. And a portfolio is going to look something like this. This is what the layout's going to be, where it's going to have different images of the work that you've provided to Wix. And that's the incredible part about it. You can build an impressive portfolio with a few simple steps, show off your best work, stand out with Pro Design Gallery layouts, and generate more leads and opportunities with advanced SEO, which is pretty incredible. So just like this, you can choose different templates, create different page designs, and that is how you're going to be making a portfolio for yourself in Wix. So that is pretty much about it. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.